Some people across northeastern and central Pennsylvania are dealing with winter illnesses. Health officials say cases of COVID, RSV, and norovirus are on the rise. Newswatch 16's Mackenzie Aucker spoke with a doctor at UPMC about the uptick.
As we all stay inside during the winter months, it's the perfect time for people to become sick. Currently, COVID, RSV, and norovirus cases are all on the rise. Dr. John D. Goldman is an infectious disease specialist at UPMC. He says overcrowding is one of the main reasons why some people are getting these illnesses.
When we're packed close together, they're more easily, it's easier for us to give them to each other.
Dr. Goldman says UPMC is currently hospitalizing patients who have COVID and RSV. He also says the reason why people end up in the hospital is due to COVID and RSV worsening their underlying health problems.
Heart failure gets worse, their asthma gets worse, their emphysema gets worse, and that's what brings them into the hospital. So we do see people who, in fact, just are sick with COVID, flu, RSV, but we see more people who the COVID, flu, RSV has made one of their underlying medical conditions worse.
Along with COVID and RSV, another highly contagious illness is going around, norovirus. Dr. Goldman says, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, we're currently seeing 3 times the number of outbreaks than we did in previous years.
When you have more of the virus, you have more people who are really sick. And so it seems worse simply because there is more of the disease. The virus at baseline makes people pretty sick. When there are more people infected, we have more people who are very sick.
There are ways to protect yourself from COVID and RSV, such as good hand washing, cleaning surfaces, and getting enough rest. If someone in your home is currently sick with norovirus, doctors say clean any surface areas they've been using with bleach.
Because norovirus isn't killed by standard household cleaners. You should wash your hands frequently because norovirus isn't killed by hand sanitizers. And if you are sick, you should stay home.
Mackenzie Aucker, Newswatch 16.